Are you ready to dive into the future of speed and style? The 2025 Honda Civic Type R Coupe is here, and it's rewriting the rules of performance and design. Stay tuned, because this is the boldest Civic Type R yet. Let's talk about the striking exterior of the 2025 Honda Civic Type R Coupe. This car is all about making a statement. Its low, wide stance paired with sharp lines and dynamic curves gives it an unmistakable presence on the road. It's aggressive, it's bold, and it's unlike anything you've seen from its tamer Civic siblings. Under the hood, Honda continues to impress. The 2025 Civic Type R is expected to pack a turbocharged 2.0-litre four-cylinder engine that delivers a jaw-dropping 315 horsepower and 310 pound-feet of torque. Paired with a 6-speed manual transmission, a limited slip differential, and front-wheel drive, this car promises a thrilling driving experience. Honda hasn't just focused on power. The interior tech keeps you connected while you're on the go. Expect features like a 10.2-inch digital instrument cluster and a 9.0-inch infotainment touchscreen. Plus, wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a wireless phone charging pad ensure that you stay connected without the clutter of cables. The 2025 Honda Civic Type R Coupe is redefining what it means to drive in style. From its aggressive exterior to its powerhouse performance and tech-packed interior, this car is a true game changer. Want to see more exciting car releases and in-depth reviews? Subscribe now to Car Release TV and stay ahead of the curve.